Greetings everyone. Let's start with today's topic, that is MS Excel. The topics we are going to cover are what is MS Excel, how to start MS Excel, and spreadsheets. Now let us talk about what is MS Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed Microsoft for Windows, Mac, OS, Android, and iOS. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for Applications, also known as WBA. It has been a very widely applied spreadsheet for these platforms, especially since version 5 in 1993. It has replaced Lotus 123 as the industry standard for spreadsheets. Excel forms part of the Microsoft Office suite of software. How to start MS Excel. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs from the menu. Step 3. Search for Microsoft Office from the sub-menu and click it. Step 4. Search for Microsoft Excel 2010 from the sub-menu and click it. From the Excel Start screen, locate and select Blank Workbook to access the Excel interface. Now let us know what is spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a computer application for organization, analysis, and storage of data in a tabular form. Spreadsheets were developed as computerized analogs of paper accounting worksheets. The program operates on data entered in cells of a table. Each cell may contain either numeric or text data or the results of formulas that automatically calculate. Here you can see some parts of the Excel window, like the ribbon and scroll bars, are standard in most of the Microsoft programs. However, there are other features that are more specific to spreadsheets, such as the formula bar, name box, and worksheet tabs. Click the buttons in the interactive below to become familiar with the parts of the Excel interface.